State's Capitol current exhibit called Sign of the Times. It's an exhibit of campaign posters from presidential elections in the United States. These are a few of our earliest ones, and we're going to do an activity where we make our own campaign poster. If you like this style, you can draw your picture in an oval and a friend's picture in the other oval, and then surround it by patriotic symbols and come up with a good slogan going on a banner along the bottom. So with the invention of new printing techniques, we were able to do a lot more with campaign posters. But patriotic colors, patriotic symbols, the candidate as big as possible, and a slogan, all very important. For the campaign poster we're going to make together today, I was inspired by this technique called the floating head. So we'll see how to make that. These are kind of nostalgic, and I'm old enough to remember when these campaigns were running full force. Presidential campaign posters have been used throughout history up until present day. The common denominators are to make sure that the candidate's name is easy to read, especially if they've got a catchy slogan, and to make sure that they were printed in a way that could be posted just about anywhere. Now, let's make our own campaign poster.